Hello guys, welcome to Two Man TV. On this video, I'm going to show you the super easy way on how you can remove watermarks on your CapCut video editing application. So let's log in.
So first of all, you log into CapCut, you click on new project, then you bring in the video you want to edit, you add it, and then okay, let me take you to the end of this video so that we'll see how the watermarks will appear on the video. Okay, so let's see, this is the end of the video. Okay, let's play it from here. Okay, see that watermark, see that CapCut. So the video is on how to remove that CapCut so that once your video end, you just end from where you record the video and stop. Okay, so what you do is you click on it, you see, you highlight it and you look at delete it, so you click on delete, so you remove the CapCut watermarks. Okay, so now your video will not have that watermark. So but if you want to remove it permanently, because you will not be deleting it anytime you want to edit video in CapCut, so you come back to settings. Okay, come back to settings, look at settings here, click on this settings, you see add default ending. Okay, so you bring this in, you touch on it, and you discard it, okay. So now anytime you edit your video, you will not have that CapCut at the end of your video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video. Share.